What's up guys, it's Caravella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full body routine together here. It's a little high intensity, so be ready to sweat. If you guys are ready, go ahead and follow along. Also, if you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's get into the workout. First exercise, we're going to stand up and we're going to crawl and then crawl back. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to crawl, 1, 2, crawl back up, and then you're gonna crawl back down. Boom, just like that. So we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 10. Whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and start. Go ahead and take a 30-second break, and then we're going to get started on set 3. This next workout, we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 12. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay on your back, you're gonna put your arms up like a swimmer, and you're just gonna bring your arms forward and go back down. It's called a dolphin crunch. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12, so go ahead and start whenever you're ready. Okay, so this next exercise, we're gonna be doing a little bit of high intensity, and we're just gonna do 15, one set of 15. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. We're gonna take one opposite arm and one opposite leg and bring them together. We're gonna go 5 on that leg, then we're going to switch legs and switch arms, and we're gonna go 5 on this leg, and then we're gonna put both of our hands up and bring both of our legs up and do 5 of these. So we're gonna do 15 all together, one set. Don't stop, just do 5, 5, 5. As fast as you can, go. This last workout is going to be a jumping jack squat. What we're going to do is we're going to squat, hand down, come back up, squat, hand down, come back up, squat, hand down, come back up, squat, hand down. So if you guys are ready, we're going to do 3 sets of 12. Go ahead and start your first set. Good job, guys. Go ahead and take a 30-second break, and then we have our last set for the day. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the burn, and let's get into the last set. Alright guys, so those are 4 pretty high intensity workouts that you guys can do at home in order to work your full body. If you guys enjoyed these exercises, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!